Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by creating or confirming an Azure Active Directory tenant so you control identity boundaries. Create a global administrator account, enable MFA, and register a test user immediately. Once done, decide whether you need directory synchronization with on-premises using Azure AD Connect. This matters if you keep existing AD identities. Make sure licensing, free, P1. P2 matches required features because that drives conditional access and identity protection capabilities. Proceed to access the Azure portal to continue setup. You now organize identities, create users and groups, assign least privilege roles, and prefer dynamic groups for scale. Next, configure conditional access to require MFA, compliant devices, or trusted locations. This enforces secure sign-ins. Register applications, enable single sign-on with OAuth or SAML, and grant only needed API permissions. This prevents overprivileged apps. Once these middle steps are in place, test sign-in flows with your test user, and inspect sign-in logs to validate policy behavior and app access. You finish by enabling monitoring and alerting, turn on audit and sign-in logs, and configure identity protection risk policies to detect compromised accounts. Roll out changes in stages, document recovery steps, and create emergency break glass accounts with strict controls. If a user fails to sign in, check the sign-in logs and conditional access evaluation details first. They show which policy blocked access and why. Once resolved, update policies or device compliance rules, and then revalidate to ensure stable, secure access for all users.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.